Hello YouTube and welcome to another video. So in this video I'll show you the Stack Overflow annual developer survey. So are you ready? Let's get started. So as you may know, Stack Overflow is a very famous forum where you can view or post questions related to programming languages and other technologies. Okay, so it has actually a website called insight.stackoverflow.com/survey, when you can see a survey that was done based by this website actually. So you can see here the main page. So it has this beautiful graphics here. It's like a net when you can play with your mouse, but this is not the interesting part. The interesting part is the data that we get from actually the survey. So here you can see learn from the world's largest and most trusted community of professional software developer. Okay, and of course here we have the result for 2020. Okay, and you can also see the result for the passing years from 2011 till 2020. Okay, so you can of course download the data as CSV and try to analyze them using any software you want or technology you want, like Microsoft Excel, or just using pandas in Python if you want. But here you can also view survey results directly in their website. So let's go and see this result here. So we click on this link here, view survey result. Here we go. So we get the result for the 2020 developer survey. So here you can see that nearly 65,000 developers told us how they learn and level up, which tools they are using and what they want. Okay, so we can actually read the overview. So you can here read some thing about survey, but you can also go directly to the key results. So as you can see here are a few of the top takeaways from this year results. Okay, so for example here we can see the most loved languages. So if you could click on that link, here we go. Here you can see the most loved languages. So here at the top one we have Rust with nearly 86.1%. Okay, then TypeScript, then Python, then in the fourth place Kotlin, then Go, then Julia, Dart, C#, Swift, JavaScript, SQL, etc. Okay, so you can see all the loved languages here sorted from the first one to the last one. Okay, you can also click on the dreaded languages, and of course VBA, because it's kind of all technology. So it's the most dreaded language is VBA, then Objective-C, okay, with 76.6%, then Perl, then assembly language also, and C in the fifth place. Then it comes PHP, Ruby, C++, Java, and R. So those are the most dreaded languages according to Stack Overflow survey. And let's see what now the most wanted. Of course Python comes in the first place because a lot of people want actually to learn this language, which actually has a lot of capabilities in every field, in statistics or in machine learning or in deep learning. Okay, then in second place it came JavaScript, because all what actually related to web development has to do with JavaScript, then the Go language, then the TypeScript, then the Rust. So those are the top wanted languages according to Stack Overflow. Okay, so we can return back and see also some key features or key results from this survey that was done by Stack Overflow. We can also take a look at global salaries if you want. So here you can see the global salaries. Engineering manager with nearly 92 K dollar per year here, I guess. Then engineer site reliability, okay, with 80K dollars. Okay, then we have the ops engineer data, so you can take a look at different branches here and the salaries that is offered to them. So this is the global overview, but you can also take a look just in the United States, as you can see here. Okay, let's return back and see some other key results. So here, interesting one. When asked what steps to take when stuck on coding problem, 90% of respondents indicate they visit Stack Overflow. Okay, so let's click on this button and see. So what do you do when you get stuck? So almost 90.6% visit Stack Overflow. 54.4% do other work and come back later. So this is very interesting. And also some 52.8% watch held tutorial videos. Okay, some call a coworker or friend, go for work or other physical activity, play a game. Okay, that's interesting. Play a game, meditate, panic, visit other developer community. Okay, so it's always good to see what people do when they got stuck in a coding problem. So let's go back and see other thing. You can take a look here at experience by country if you want. Experience by country. So the average age for developers here in the United States is 33.7, for United Kingdom 33.1, for Canada 32.2, Netherlands 31.9, Germany 30.9, for France 30.4. Okay, so if you want to take the average year of coding experience, also it's very interesting. The average years of coding experience in Australia, it's 16.9. Okay, so we have a lot of years of coding experience in Australia. This is the top one. Then the United Kingdom with 16.1, and in the third place United States with 15.8. Then it comes the Netherlands and Canada and Germany. So it's always pretty good to take a look at those kind of information just to get info about the average years of coding experience. Okay, also with the average age, it's also good idea. India 26, this is the average age for coding programmers in India. Alright, it's nice to see that. So as I told you, with this survey inside Stack Overflow, you can get a lot of information about developers' habits. Okay, you can take a look at the developer profile if you want. For example, geography here, we have developer roles, experience, education, demographics. Let's go, for example, to geography here, and here you can see we have survey respondents, so mostly from, as you can see here, from the United States and also India with 13.12%. For example, here France there's 2.97%. Okay, Spain also 1.82. So here you can get a graphical overview about the survey respondents. Okay, and also you can take a look at the monthly Stack Overflow visits, and always you can see that the United States come at the top, with India also, some in Russian and Euro. In Europe also we have some monthly Stack Overflow visits. And of course here you can zoom in and zoom out to the map to see some details if you want. So this is a pretty nice site that you should actually visit, which called Stack Overflow Annual Developer Survey, to get a lot of info about the world's largest and the most trusted community of professional software developers. So that was just a brief video to show this beautiful survey done by Stack Overflow. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.